Change is inevitable. It is constant, and more often than not, it's a good thing. Sometimes change means the underdog knocking the top dog off the number one spot. And this is one of those times. Everybody knows Bitcoin. It was the new and revolutionary way of making financial transactions. It was new and exciting and different. Even though it took a while before it gained general acceptance, it has eventually grown to be one of the top cryptocurrencies in the cryptocurrency world today. The world of cryptocurrency has been experiencing several changes in the few months into the year. Now, Bitcoin is worth 6 times what it was 12 months ago, and the joke currency Dogecoin has increased 100-fold in price. There is a boom in the non-fungible tokens that is transforming the art market. The NFTs are tradable tokens that are based on the same technology as cryptocurrency. So today we're talking about Chia, the new cryptocurrency. A new cryptocurrency has risen, and it is set to take the cryptocurrency industry by storm. This coin is the Chia Coin, or XCH. The coin is the product of the Chia Network Inc., a new energy-efficient decentralized blockchain that was created by Bram Cohen, the inventor of BitTorrent. The blockchain was recently launched on the 3rd of May, 2021. The new blockchain is expected to take the cryptocurrency world by storm. As a green digital currency, Chia, also known as XCH, is projected to gain widespread acceptance, digital exchange listing, and worldwide adoption in the financial, corporate, commercial, and governmental sectors. The company was founded in 2017 in the United States and has a global workforce. Chia Network's protocol seeks to be an alternative to the traditional financial networks. It aims to provide a secure, energy-efficient network for modern finance and payments. The Chia Network has attracted a lot of attention from a lot of significant investors. The Chia Network has received backing from the likes of Andreessen Horowitz, Naval Ravikant, and Cyberpunk Holdings. The company has also attracted several publicly traded crypto mining companies like IMD companies. The CEO of the company, Rick Wilson, has announced their support for Chia, saying that they are all in. After conducting extensive research on the coin, Wilson believes that the coin is here to stay and will be greatly utilized at the financial level. But what does it mean when we say Chia is green money? The digital currency of Chia Network is XCH. The production of Chia is somewhat synonymous with that of Bitcoin. Chia is created to be a reward to the Chia farmers as the miners of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Its protocol is much improved and a simplified version of implementing Bitcoin's unspent transaction output model. What the simplifications do is increase the flexibility and programmability of coins. Chia farming rewards 2 XCH per block for the first 3 years as an incentive mechanism. This incentive mechanism supports its new Nakamoto consensus. According to the founder, Bram Cohen, the first Chia transaction is an exciting milestone that will further establish the long-term goal to offer environmentally sustainable financial freedom. Chia farming has reinvented Bitcoin's approach to its everything is a coin model. There is still room for improvement in the features of Chia and Chia Lisp in the areas of colored coins, digital identity wallets, and NFT support. Chia may just be starting, but they intend to remain for a long time and top the crypto charts. According to Bram Cohen, the first Chia transaction is an exciting milestone which furthers our long-term mission to provide environmentally sustainable financial freedom. I am incredibly proud of our team and our reinvention of Bitcoin's approach to the everything is a coin model. We will continue to enhance the features of Chia and Chia Lisp in the areas of colored coin, digital identity wallets, and NFT. This is just the beginning of our journey to become the core of a new financial architecture, a new transaction programming language. Chia Lisp is Chia Network's smart coin language. It is the new smart transaction programming language. It is based on the functional language Lisp. The company says its language combines the best aspects of Bitcoin's UTXO model and Ethereum's Solidity model. This allows for a more secure and energy-intensive functionality. With everything on the Chia blockchain, smart coins deliver smart contracts and smart transaction capabilities in one package. Chia Lisp is designed with security and simplicity in mind. This allows it a powerful and broad functionality. The applications that are running on the Chia blockchain were designed for banking, payments, asset issuance, global exchange, and other financial applications. The key feature sets of Chia Lisp include colored coins, digital identity wallets, rare limited wallets, authorized payee wallets, multi-signature wallets, recoverable wallets, and atomic swaps. Chia plus Chia Lisp equals secure smart coin transactions. The Chia blockchain is designed to allow users to build and customize sophisticated custody and clearing arrangements. Chia Lisp will enable the Chia controls to match and exceed internal accounting controls and to safeguard funds from accidental loss, theft, or hacking with various risk tolerance levels in an easy-to-audit manner. Chia's proof of space and time uses less energy than proof of work. When compared with other blockchains, the Chia blockchain greatly reduced energy consumption and environmental contamination. It does all these and still manages to improve on the Nakamoto consensus. Now, who says newer isn't better? With the Chia blockchain, the proof of work, the consensus protocol that is used by Bitcoin and Ethereum with a new consensus protocol, the proof of space and time. The consensus is built to eliminate the unfairness, energy inefficiency, and centralization of proof of work. Chia does not intend to make use of the power-hungry specialized computing resources. Instead, Chia relies on the storage space coupled with the added variable of time through a verifiable delay function or VDF. The proof of space and time is central to the value proposition of Chia. This ensures the integrity and security of the blockchain. A chip farmer will spend some CPU cycles to create plots on hard drives, but then will utilize the energy-efficient resource of drive space over the following years to participate in the consensus mechanism that verifies new blocks on the Chia blockchain. The idea is that users or farmers will seed their hard drives or solid-state drives with software that puts cryptographic numbers into specific plots. These plots are awarded blocks from the blockchain based on the percentage of total space a farmer has compared to the entire network. Then, a VDF server known as a Time Lord verifies the block, allowing the chain to move forward and awarding XCH to the farmer. Chia Network says that this system will provide better security than Ethereum and reduce the cost of energy expenditure required by the proof of work model that Bitcoin makes use of. Now, how do you farm Chia? Farming Chia means to verify and ensure the integrity of transactions on the Chia blockchain. The goal of farming is to utilize unused disk space to help validate financial transactions. The farming process in the Chia network is a very lightweight one that leaves your computer available to perform other actions. The company launched a video on the 19th of March, sensitizing the public on how to farm and also informing them of the Chia farming reward schedules. Other sites like ChiaDecentral.com and Chia's business white paper also provide lessons on how to Chia farm. Mining Bitcoin has become increasingly difficult for at-home miners due to the expansion of publicly traded mining companies. These companies make use of ASIC miners, which have greater computing power than the average at-home miner could afford, putting them at an unfair advantage. This then means that mining Bitcoin at home no longer makes financial sense for many miners, when all things, especially energy costs, are considered. With Chia, that is set to change. Chia affords at-home users the capacity to compete to earn XCH by seeding their SSDs or hard drives. The lack of competition that this offers will allow for a more profitable experience. Its easy accessibility is also an advantage to XCH. While new cryptocurrencies are a dime a dozen, the participation of big-name investors in the crypto space to work hand-in-hand with the top developers to figure out a common criticism of crypto is rare. It shows that there is indeed a rising energy consumption problem. Chia Coin is set to be something different, something that, like Bitcoin, will revolutionize the financial system. Hard drive and SSD shortages and price increases. While the proofs of space and time model that Chia used may very well provide to be an energy saver, the method is creating issues for hard drive and SSD suppliers. According to a recent report from DigiTimes, the Taiwanese memory and storage manufacturer Seats has reported to a 500% increase in SSD orders since the start of April. The South China Morning Post also reported that Chinese e-commerce platforms, including Alibaba's Taobao and JD.com, have seen multiple models with large capacities selling out. According to a customer service agent at Taobao Online, informed by the South China Morning, posted that many people have made inquiries about large hard drives for China mining in the past few days. The current rise in hard drives and SSD sales can be linked to Chia because it is a necessity for the storage of farm Chia. With the cryptocurrency projected to become as popular as other altcoins, the business model could very well put a great deal of pressure on the memory and storage manufacturers' supply and pricing as time goes on. No hard cap and a strategic reserve to reduce volatility. Unlike Bitcoin, the Chia network does not have a hard cap on the total number of Chia coins on the blockchain. The company instead prefers a predictable, continuous form of inflation. The company's white paper noted that being able to directly calculate a shared expectation of the total supply at any given time provides the same financial and peace of mind benefit. Chia Network currently holds a strategic reserve of 21 million XCH, which will help to reduce coin volatility and mitigate potential crashes. With a formal company behind Chia, the crypto coin is set to go places. The Chia Network is set to embrace several regulations to protect against scams and farces which hurt the crypto space. The strategic reserve will also serve as the primary source of strategic funding until the firm is listed publicly. Unlike the popular crypto coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, Chia Coins will be managed by a publicly traded firm that will be listed on either the NASDAQ or the New York Stock Exchange. While the precise date for this listing is not yet known, it has to be within 3 years from now if Chia does not want its investors to liquidate their Chia reserve to recover their initial investment. According to the Chia Network, the other functions of the strategic reserve are lending. The Chia Network company plans to lend XCH to their customers and market makers for use in day-to-day commerce and creating liquidity in the market. Additional farming rewards. The company can offer rewards and special bonuses to the Chia farmers. Investing. Making investments in promising developers, platforms, and service providers creating applications and tools for the Chia blockchain. Share buybacks. This is similar to a dividend. When the Chia is traded, the company may offer to redeem equity through the payment of XCH to stockholders. Dividends. The company, solely at the discretion of the board of directors, may dividend XCH directly to its stockholders to, in part, encourage the use and promotion of the Chia Network's blockchain. So what do you think of this brand new cryptocurrency? Is it pomp and pizzazz enough to knock off the number one cryptocurrency at the moment, or does it need something more? Do you think it will get it? Why don't you write down your predictions and let the times decide how right or wrong you are?